Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we take a look at the CURT RockerBall shock absorbing 2-inch hitch ball with the 1-inch diameter shank. It has a 7,500 pound weight capacity. Now this hitch ball here will provide a connection point for your trailer's coupler. This part here will include everything laid out here on the table. It includes the rocker ball itself, the anti-swivel base, a lock washer, and the nut. Now this CURT RockerBall uses ShockDrop technology. Bolts onto your standard ball mount to provide comfort and control while towing. And that integrated shock drop technology basically means that ball will compress around the flexible polyurethane core on it to reduce rattling and vibration to give you a more comfortable ride. It does reduce the shock loads to your vehicle during sudden braking or acceleration, and it'll even help minimize stress on your tow vehicle suspension and brakes for extended longevity. Now it's virtually maintenance free with no airbags or bearings to service. There is at the very bottom right here a built-in grease circ fitting. Makes it easy to attach your grease gun to and then lubricate it when necessary. Now I do want to demonstrate this. I happen to pull a ball mount to give us an idea. Move these parts out of the way. But this ball mount will accept this rocker ball. And if you look on the rocker ball, the threads on the shank are a nice fine thread, provides a nice tight, strong grip to the ball mount. Now it is designed, the anti-swivel base basically is what goes on under this. And when you drop it into the ball mount, those sides go around the ball mount and it keeps that ball from turning. So you can see the edges on there, drops on there. This anti-swivel base is designed to fit a 2.5-inch wide ball mount tongue. And it prevents the ball, as we mentioned, from rotating on the ball mount. The base is constructed of a forged steel. Now the mounting platform on this must be at least 3/8 of an inch thick, and the hole size that the shank fits in must not be more than 1/16 of an inch larger than this 1-inch diameter on the ball's threaded shank. Also, it's not to be used with a cushion ball mount. So basically when you go to install this, what you'll do is put your anti-swivel base on there, drop it through there, take your lock washer, put it up on there, take your nut, go ahead and put your nut on there, get it started. Once you get it started, go ahead and tighten it all the way down and then torque it to the correct specifications. Now when this is installed, the rocker ball hitch ball is going to sit about 1.5 inch higher than a standard hitch ball due to that shock absorbing base. The base, as a matter of fact, is a durable carbide black powder coat finish on it. The ball itself is a chrome, corrosion-resistant chrome finish on it. And this ball is tested for safety to meet the SAE J684 specs. Again, the ball diameter, which is stamped on the top, is 2 inches. The weight capacity is also stamped up here, 7,500 pounds. And then the last thing I want to do, we'll go ahead and remove it from here. We're going to measure the shank length and diameter. Take these parts off. We'll go ahead and move our ball mount out of the way. So basically on the shank, the length from under here to the very end is going to be right at 2.25 inches. The diameter on the shank itself is right at 1 inch. But that should do it for a look at this CURT RockerBall shock absorbing 2-inch hitch ball with the 1-inch diameter shank.